Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a poem, The Quarrel, which is written by Eleanor Farjan. This poem is mentioned in your third unit, page number 39. So let's start. Children, can you find other word with the same meaning as quarrel? Yes, fight, argument are the same meaning, carry same meaning as quarrel. When you're trying to prove your own point, you start argument with other, and sometimes this argument is converted into quarrel, and sometimes you will have an happy ending as you do with your siblings. Same in the poem, in which brother and sister is quarreling upon something and how they were developing their quarrel and how they were patching up, and this concept which is called quarrel is described by the poem. Now come to the text. So this is the poem. See, first is two lines of the poem in which the quarrel has been started. But the sister doesn't know why they were start quarreling. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. Here, the narrator, the girl, described that she started quarreling with his brother, and the narrator has clearly mentioned that fight with brother, but she almost forget what were they fighting about. One thing led to another. When you have a fight, yes, one thing leads to another. Certain aspects, certain old things come out. You feel started. You feel amazed that when exactly what had gone wrong where, and did the things turn out blue, and you try to recollect all the fact and bring into the fight just to minute out. And somehow we fell out. Now somehow we fell out means specifically that to blutter on each other. The simply had a big fight. To the start of it was slight, the end of it was another. The end in which the starting of the it means the starting of the fight is very slight, but the end of the fight being strong means although the fight was started on a slight commotion, a slight notion of our anguish or an argument between them. True, well, the outcome was strong. The slight matter grew up to become a big thing. Thus, it was a quite strong. The hatred they started to carry was quite strong. He said he was right. I know that he was wrong. Well, the fight started with the same commotion. One person said that he is right. The other person disagreed with him. So the disagreement of the fact leads to a fight. We hated one another, and we hated one another. The afternoon turned black, and suddenly my brother thumped me on back. We hated one another. Students, it means that they started fight in the afternoon and it lasted till night. That means they were fighting the day all day long. Now suddenly my brother tapped me on my back and simply said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." Simply the elder brother said, by ending notion, that was the sensible thing. He said, "Here is tapped him on her back and said that we can't fight all the night long. Let's finish it over here." Thus, bringing in an abrupt end, the fight that that they had, maybe saving it for another day, another time, or another hour. So this was the nice elaboration of a fight between siblings by a sweet poem, The Quarrel by Eleanor Farjan. In Farjan has beautifully explains us the usual common thing that take place between us and our siblings, and it is also kills the fight at the end. It kills the fight at the end by simply of giving. It has an abrupt end. Now this is the wonderful poem